You know, say who they borrow money from loan app, no they read terms and conditions. You don't know, say who want collect loan, they hurry. They know, say you go hurry. They can write the terms and conditions small. You know if you read it, you must enlarge them. You call screw go down. Now the I agree big. Oh, people when they borrow they laugh.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
My papa don't score goal for outside.
They give me 10 minutes, reduce them to 2 minutes.
Too broke for this kind of life, but in the brag say, in a sharp guy.
Baba, people they sing go.
My papa excuse my polygamy.
I don't send the song to my papa.
Men, they polygamous in them.
All right.
But the funny thing is, say,
Thank you.
They polygamous, man.
Please, a round of applause for MC Casino. And a round of applause for yourself. First, a coach tells you when tables sit down, regular don't go. They look bad. My papa wedding on the 21st of this month. My partner 79. He called me yesterday. He said, what are they doing on the 21st? I said, at their house. He said, no, you know their house. In the wed. How do you the wed? He said, yes. I know I said, who you want to marry you. I said, who want to marry you? You know what shocked me? Now I say, Daddy, now that woman when they say Oluwa Avenue, you say no, that one too old for them. Ask me and the talk so. My papa they wed girl, will be 21 years. My papa now say how the parents take grief for you. Now them are pastor. My pastor they no face grief. Now he sits in father-in-law and in mother-in-law down. Now he advise them. In-law. I said, you get money. Now my papa say, you and your money, now me get all of them. Not be all this one pay me. So as I talk to now, so my stepmother now 21 years.
Kasongo, yeah. Mumbali nanga.
See, Dama. Oh, my stepmommy is 20. Is this stepmommy? All right. I'm not wasting too much time. I'm just doing 3 minutes. I drop the mic. 9 is outside. Yeah, but yes, it's 9. 9 is 9. Is it nice? I've left you. Now let me introduce myself. Okay, I don't like the way you sit down. They sit down like saying that today be your last day. Sit properly. Even though you don't know how to take by the table. Sit. Just.
I don't care who you are.
I care who you are. People like this, and then they say gone. This guy. I'm joking, Not be say they'll call joke with me for outside. All right, my full name Dr. Ogene Kokonya Ogene Breon Nabi Desmond. The comedy catalyst, Dr. One of Nigerian comedy. You know me, the one of Adejokwe Kingdom. The other Beko is one. Ego na pop one. Do know me one of Delta State. Multiples award-winning comedian back to back for many years. He counting by bet. I be comedian and I funny. Either way, life not hard though. Now you go get big project oh. Big clothes, you know what they talk. Life not hard though. Lagos has strength, not cost. Now you want to stay near people. I go live for now. You know say alcohol not cost. Now you dey find original drink oh. I go on wedding for Ejigbo. Ejigbo. They do one for town hall. I see all the table. I see Don Julo and Casamigo for each table. For Ejigbo. Now my DJ say, may we drink or may not be like say we don't underrate these people. That's how they going to do when in 2 hours nobody to drink. Now I say my friend open Don Julo. Sir, I open Don Julo do. Don Julo, they get gas. Now I call the group, come. Which kind Don Julo be this? I say, I hope you never drink. I said, I never drink. So I see one girl when they share something for plate. I said, what be that? He said, tetracycline. Oh. Talk to me. All right. One of my guys just come from Canada. Now we go Prosy Club on Friday. He won't carry girl. They tell us, say, 4 million. And the guy say, Lagos girls are expensive. I say, Lagos girls not cost. Now you find get when clean. You get where I go carry you go. You carry girl and the mama 8'5".
I got the powers.
You know, say who they borrow money from loan app, no they read terms and conditions. You don't know, say who want collect loan, they hurry. They know, say you go hurry. They can write the terms and conditions small. You just they screw. Okay, settle down now when money in your hand. Go say you want borrow money. You know if you read it, you must enlarge them. You call screw go down. Now the I agree B. Oh, people when they borrow they laugh.
Turn up the volume for me.
You just click I agree. Now that agree when you agree, let me explain to you. You agree say if you default, make them print your burial poster. Oh, you got to wonder how your family for Abuja tell no say you borrow money. You call here and they're wicked though. Now, bro, I get my friend when they work for Money Point. They get people when they train to retrieve loan. They're wicked. They'll call you. Desist from big clothing. It's not trustworthy. Life not really hard though. This my DJ Kesley. Listen, I want to do this. Where my time? They wait. They made 2 minutes now. Time no day. Hey, yeah. Our first date, Abi. Hey, wife. They marry you. Oh. Now your wife, now they look like this. Oh, pocket that thing. Now your wife, now they cover face. Oh, now talking stage with this. Now poor man, they do talking stage, oh. You get the kind of money when they go say give you, now you go they ask the man. Hey, don't you think we are taking too long time? Bro, everybody, everything that they introduce you to them, the only thing when they know they introduce you to is masturbation. That one are inborn. If they come with you, imagine now, I want to teach Mr. Paul masturbation. I saw you bring your prick. They all are like this. They teach you, they come with you. Sir, now my DJ introduced me to cat sex. You think say Lagos quiet until you want for moto. People they busy. So when they shake and they share your story. Now, I got my God to go with my baby. They listen, oh. I'm leaving out, man. I got my go-do. Now me and my customer will do something extra. I might say, wait, I say, let's do cassettes. Now I say, I never do it. I say, no. Now we'll call the try. Baba cassettes is sweet to get venue hard. With your motto, you go to find venue. Now you go know say people know they sleep for Lagos. You know say for Magodo we drive, we reach one place, artists everywhere dark. As we did, Mumumi, this my useless DJ, not tell me say they not they pull cloth finish oh.
Pitch is meant for those who did pitch.
Me are naked. Artist said the place dark. As I want just climb, I just see torchlight from nowhere. I know say one thing about that cassette, if you just see light, you must come up for that venue. I just see light, view. Now I move, we drive. Now I don't naked though. Now the drive motor with nakedness. Now I drive this one place, I say I like person no fit pass here. I don't know say that place, person they shit near the bush. As I don't want pull level, the guy just say, oh now well done no. I move again. I said, no, me will find way. And there's something about that cassette. So, you know, say now when you release it, you realize. I move again, and they move, I'm naked. I don't know, say, checkpoint. I just see torchlight, I don't say, I don't die. Police just say, park that car. Police don't stop you before, like, say, they give them your picture. Park! I say I will park. I'm naked. You don't ask for driver license. You don't ask for paper. You just say, calm down. As an officer, can we talk man to man? He said, if you don't call down, we'll shoot your eye. Now I open door. I felt bring one empty leg. I just said the police go say, man, go back. And they bring us small, and the police say, oh, you are using me to do slow-mo? As officer, please. I say, no, now my baby say, baby, just calm down and nothing will happen. I say, true. Now I calm down. Police do like this. Who is driving this car? I say, it's me. Waiting shock me. Now my baby shine. Officer, leave him. He's my boyfriend. Eh? Officer say, ooh, they want you to do ritual. Mugu. God won't help you now. I say, officer, I beg. I want to wear my trousers. I say, leave her with a go station like that. Now my fear be say, good night.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.